Instagram business account in 2020. Curious things that you didn't know about the switch. Should you switch? Is it a switch if you didn't switch yet? Welcome to this video, Dr. Nikinators. Yes, there is a thing, everyone has a thing. There's the bro army, there's the... there's armies, right? Dr. Nikinators, this thing now.
What? What did he say?
It's basically a word, it has to be catchy, has to be funny and make you laugh so that you can remember it and associate it with this channel. Probably even have some nightmares about it.
Okay.
So like this video if you want to help me out and subscribe to this channel if you are interested in growing on Instagram. So as always, roll the intro. Let's start this video with the shoutout rules. If you want to be shouted out in one of the next episodes, and on this episode we have a number of shoutouts, and I mean a lot of shoutouts, like more than 1 and 2.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Stick until the end if you wanna see if you are the shoutout winner, and if you wanna be shouted out in one of the next episodes, make sure you comment down below what you've loved about this video or what you've absolutely hated about it for a chance to be featured. Okay, so there's 3 types of Instagram accounts. There's a public account, there's a business account, there is a creator account. If you're wondering what account I chose for Dr. Nikki, my Instagram that you can follow right here, I'm actually using a creator account. I can do a whole video on it. I already had a video on it in the past, but I want to do an even better one. You have general messages, you have primary messages, you have really good insights, stuff like that, access to Creator Studio. So I chose Creator account, it's pretty cool. And I chose it nearly a year ago, pretty much when it came out. So I'm back. Did you think I was gonna go out of this video? At the start, I just told you the accounts. So the first thing you need to know about the public account is that you need to like this video. Smash the like right now. So with a public account, you don't really have any insights, you don't need any of that. You're just a public account. A curious case is that a lot of meme accounts are using the public account feature, and you might be wondering, well, why? I'm already familiar with theme pages, and theme pages normally use a business or a creator account, right? And actually have the media company tag along with their account or something like that. So why is that person using the public account feature, you might ask? First, because of the myth that business accounts have less reach, which will, let's debunk it right now. That's not true. There's case studies about it. People use it for a very smart reason, to spark curiosity. For example, someone might share an Instagram photo from a particular meme page to somebody. And when that somebody clicks on the link to see the photo, because it's a public account, they actually need to follow it in order to see the photo. So they just get a better conversion rate per profile visit, because to see any content on their site, you gotta actually follow the person, which is a really good idea actually. But should you do it? Let's go on to the whole idea with the business account. So if you are a business, use a business account. Like using a public account when you're a business is like taking photos with an iPad. Do you know how lame that is? One sec. Did you ever see people at events being like taking photos with an iPad? If you want to take photos, use your phone. If you're a business page, use a business account. Yes, I know people use cameras. That's also viable. But don't use a tablet. What are the good things when using a business account or a creator account? Because if you're an influencer, creator account might even be a better fit for you. First of all, you have a link in bio. Second of all, after 10k followers, or if you have a verified, the blue check mark in your account, you can actually have swipe up, which is really important because you're a business. You need to convert people and make them go into certain pages that you want them to go to for your business. You want to have the address that you have, you want to have an email, stuff like that highlights. It's good to have a business account in general.
Okay.
And I'll show you why right now. So I'm on my Instagram account right now, and first of all, you can see a bunch of stuff. For example, you can see how many people visited your profile in the last 7 days. And when I click that, I can see the content I did per reach, which was the best pieces of content I did in the last year. For example, this photo with my sales team did way better than other photos. Like, it has thousands of likes compared to some other photos, 1.4k likes, 5k reach, stuff like that. And I can see, oh, this about budgeting, it performed better. Oh, the iceberg post, I remember that. So I can see that some posts are overperforming others, and you can't really tell that if you don't have the reach figures here. For example, I have 7k reach from hashtags. 7k reach from hashtags. How can you know that if you're not a business account? So is it worth the switch? Yes, it is. In my opinion, 100% it is. Also, you can see how many followers you're getting right now. I'm actually running some shout out promotions with some business pages, and I'm getting around 100 a day most of the day. Very low on follow rate. If it was actually fake followers, I was gonna be losing like 50 followers a day when I'm getting 100. I'm losing 9 and getting 156 because I know how to do shout out promotions, and I actually do it for my clients as well. If you want to be my client, you can go to drnicky.co and check my packages for SEO, Facebook ads, Instagram. And you can do a bunch of other things when having a business account. I actually chose a creator account. If you're an influencer, I would suggest you do that too. To have a Facebook page, business page, to do that, but it's really easy to set up. Also, if you're a business, you can tag products, and I have a video you can check in the card above on how to add products to your posts. You're a business, be a business. And if you are a shout out winner, well, then be a shout out winner. And the shout out winner on this wonderful video is actually, the first one is Sanat Safi. I'm sorry if I'm pronouncing your name wrong, who says, thank you, finally worked. I tried, now it works. It's how to have Instagram on your stories if it's not available in your region. I made a tutorial about it. Then Jon Snow, how can I not shout out Jon Snow? He's exiled again. Guess he came back from outside of the world to say follow me on IG Luxury Planet. Then Joseph K says, loved your video, my YouTube is flamesy YouTube. Then we have Pratu Pradam, who says, hey bro, love the video, I have a question. I have a repost page, meme page with 1.5k followers. When I try to post many times, I've observed that the average number of likes per post decrease from 7 to 3000 likes. He says, how many times a day should he post? I say, hey Pradu, the fact that you're getting over 700 likes per post is already a good achievement. I want to say congrats for that first. You are doing something right. So now it's time to just find the perfect spot. This is dictated by your audience. If you're getting more engagement with 2 posts, do 2. And experiment with 3 or 4 on some days, or try to switch the time zone or intervals. See how the audience responds to it and double down on what you are already doing. Yes, I tried it, and then I asked what his team page is so we can shout him out. So this is the great video that we had today. Remember that a video a day keeps the doctor away, but still wash your hands, because this is no medical advice, this is no financial advice. See you next one, and by the end of this video, make sure you check one of these two. This or this one. Both are really good. I would recommend watching them, but start with one of them. One of them is a playlist. I think it's this one.